Atkins Civil 3D Video Series, General 5, Sediment Control. This video illustrates A. Create sediment control drawing, B. Sediment control reference labels, and C. Sediment control notes. In accordance with federal and state law, a Stormwater Pollution Prevention Plan, or SPPP, is required for all projects that disturb more than 5 acres of land. The SPPP is required by law to be available on the construction site for anyone to look at and determine if the contractor is complying with the requirements contained therein. The facilities required to be installed, as set forth in the SPPP, are shown on the sediment control drawing, which is currently shown. This drawing also contains the existing surface contours and flow arrows that show the direction of the existing surface flows prior to construction. The flow arrows are easily displayed. Settings, Surface, Surface Styles, right-click Existing Surface, Edit, Display tab, Slope arrows. Turn the visibility on or off as needed. Apply. Apply. Okay. Sediment control facilities generally require the installation of silt fences along the perimeter in areas where the surface drainage flows away from the construction site, and silt trap barriers at storm drain inlets and channels that flow away from the site. Details of the sediment control facilities are prepared and included on the detailed drawings that are generally contained on the back sheets of a set of construction drawings. The contractor is to install and maintain these facilities until the disturbed surface has been restored. Sediment control reference labels are on layer C general text and consist of a circle or elongated circle with an arrow and contain leaders that are tangent to the circle. The labels are shown in white so they can easily be seen and are placed in the vicinity of the sediment control objects to be installed, with a number in the label corresponding to the sediment control note number. The sediment control notes are included in the notes drawing and are shown. The notes describe the various items of sediment control work to be performed and is incorporated into the sediment control drawing. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.